Did you know that it's possible to use heat transfer vinyl for sublimation? No need for glitter white vinyl this time, as Siser has special vinyl ready to be sublimated. I'm Travis with Heat Press Nation, and I'll be showing you how to prepare and press Siser EasySubli HTV with the Sawgrass SG400 sublimation printer. If you're looking to further customize your vinyl transfers, then look no further than EasySubli. If you're joining us for the first time, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell to be the first to watch new tutorials, streams, and more from Heat Press Nation. If you are unfamiliar with sublimation and would like an extensive look into it, check out our guide video, which you can watch right now by clicking the card above. Sublimation reaches greater heights with Siser EasySubli matte heat transfer vinyl and specially made EasySubli inks by Sawgrass, the industry leader in desktop sublimation. Together with the Sawgrass Virtuoso sublimation printer, you can personalize your garments like never before. With sublimation previously limited to 100% polyester or poly-rich substrates of white or light colors, Siser EasySubli HTV finally brings in cotton, color, and dark garments to the table. While EasySubli sublimation inks have been optimized to bring the best color vibrancy with EasySubli HTV, they can also be used for non-HTV sublimation blanks, though with less vibrant results. It's up to you to decide what sublimation printer system you'll be using the most. If you want to focus on bringing the vibrancy of sublimation to colored garments, but still want the freedom of doing typical sublimation blanks with less vibrancy, then Siser EasySubli is the printer system for you. However, if you want to focus on mugs, plaques, photo panels, phone cases, and much more with exceptional color vibrancy, but still want the freedom of using EasySubli HTV on garments with varying results, then Sawgrass Sublimation HD is the printer system for you. In the end, you decide what will work best for you, based on what you're mainly looking to customize with the magic and science of sublimation. The process for using Siser EasySubli does require a vinyl cutter and software with contour cutting capabilities, commonly referred to as print and cut. You will also need a heat press for the final application. If you already have a craft cutter and heat press, you're that much closer to getting started with EasySubli. Now let's begin by setting up the Sawgrass SG400 for EasySubli. First, we will need to install the Siser EasySubli ink in the Virtuoso printer. Be sure that your printer is off and always insert the ink cartridges as according to the labeled order below. After installing the EasySubli inks, place the EasySubli HTV sheets glossy side up in your paper tray. You may now turn on your printer. On your desktop, right-click Virtuoso Print Manager's taskbar icon and go to Options, then Edition and click Enable New Edition. The Activate Edition window will pop up. On the empty text box, type in Siser and click Apply. VPM will confirm the Siser edition is now enabled, but this can always be double-checked by going back to the Edition menu. Now, you may open your cutting software and prepare the contour cut graphic in an 8.5 by 11 inch document. With the contours and/or registration marks ready, go ahead and print the graphic using the Virtuoso Print Manager as the printer. With VPM settings window launched, make sure that the Sawgrass SG400 is selected under Printer and change the ink to Siser EasySubli Ink SG400. Then set the substrate to Siser EasySubli Vinyl, which will in turn set paper under an option of the same name. Unless you intend to use EasySubli inks for another material, there's no need to mirror the graphic for printing or cutting purposes due to EasySubli HTV's front-facing application. With these settings made, you may click the print button. Much like with sublimation paper, EasySubli vinyl will appear slightly faint at first, but will become more vibrant once pressed onto a garment. Place the EasySubli print on a cutting mat and load it into your cutter in the same orientation as shown in the cutting software. With the graphic now cut, unload it from the cutter and weed out the excess and cavities. Afterwards, remove the contour cut sheet from the cutting mat. From here, you can use EasySubli mask to lift the cut graphic away from the backing and place it onto your garment. The strong silicone-based EasySubli mask not only helps for lifting detailed print and cut jobs, but it also reduces ink ghosting or shifting when pressing EasySubli onto a garment. For best results, ensure your EasySubli mask is stored in a cool, dry location. To help the ink set, allow the weed to transfer to rest under the hot upper plan for about 45 seconds. If your design is a simple shape with little to no exterior cavities to weed, you may remove the cut vinyl from the backing and prepare it onto any cotton or colored substrate. Covering our contents with parchment paper, we'll be pressing our EasySubli transfer with the default settings, 15 seconds at 311 degrees Fahrenheit with medium pressure. After the transfer is pressed, you now have a colored cotton garment with a vibrant sublimated transfer. As you can see, Siser EasySubli brings a new depth to both sublimation and heat transfer vinyl customization. Combining Siser's 40 years of experience in creating unique HTV and Sawgrass's ingenuity in the world of sublimation, EasySubli continues these traditions by finally bringing us the ability to sublimate heat transfer vinyl with colorful images and apply them onto a wider range of materials. EasySubli is a perfect addition for HTV users interested in getting started with sublimation or those looking to expand their sublimation offerings. If you would like to share your EasySubli transfers with us, please use the hashtag HPNCreators when posting on social media. We're always looking for fun and unique transfers done with materials like EasySubli. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to be the first to know when we post new videos. If you have any questions about EasySubli, Siser, or Sawgrass products, please leave a comment, call us at 800-215-0894, or go to heatpressnation.com. A link to our EasySubli products are in the description below. I'm Travis with Heat Press Nation. Thank you for watching.